So I love using these scrapes to remove finishes on wooden hand tools. But I find myself always needing the one with the radius. Now these dull over time, and obviously your standard flat one, you can use a Japanese stone to develop the burr that scrapes away that lacquer. But how do we get a good burr on one with a radius? Well, this is my method. I want to develop the burr on the back side of this. So I put it in my vise here. I'll find a rod or a tube and put some 1000 grit sandpaper on it. Add some isopropyl alcohol. And I like using a long tube because it helps you keep it flat. And I will work the edge just like this. And that's how I develop a good burr on a radius scrape. I hope this is helpful.